Dinouniversity! Hey kids, it's me, Pete the Penguin! I may be from the chilly South Pole, but today we're diving deep into the colorful world of one of the most magnificent birds in the animal kingdom, the peacock. Trust me, you won't believe how incredible these birds are. Let's get started! Now, when we think of peacocks, the first thing that pops into your head might be their big, beautiful tail feathers. And guess what? You're absolutely right. But did you know the birds we call peacocks are actually male birds? That's right. The ladies are called peahens, and together they belong to a group called peafowl. The males are the ones with the big fancy feathers, and they use them for something super cool, to impress the peahens. Whoa, look at that! Isn't it stunning? These tail feathers are called a train, and they can be up to 6 feet long. 6 feet! That's longer than most of you. And see those bright eye-shaped spots on the feathers? Those aren't just for decoration. The peacock uses them in a spectacular show to attract a mate. They'll shake, dance, and make their feathers shimmer in the sunlight. It's like their very own talent show. First up, the Indian peafowl. This is the most famous peacock you'll see. You know, the one with the shiny blue and green feathers that look like precious jewels. These peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka, where they strut through forests and grasslands. Fun fact, the Indian peafowl is the national bird of India. Isn't that awesome? These guys have those classic shimmering tails, and their neck feathers look like they've been dipped in the bluest ocean. Oh, and the sound they make? You can hear it from miles away. They call out like me-ow, main, ow-w, which kind of sounds like a cat, right? But there's no mistaking a peacock's call. Next up, we have the green peafowl. You guessed it, these peafowl have more green in their feathers, but not just any green. It's a rich, glowing emerald color. Talk about fashion! These beauties are found in places like Myanmar, Thailand, and Cambodia. Unlike the Indian peafowl, the green ones are a little more shy. They tend to stick to the dense jungles, staying away from big, open spaces. And here's something cool. They're a bit taller and longer than the Indian peafowl. Their long green train looks like sparkling leaves. They're more of a quiet beauty, but still very majestic. Last but not least, we have the Congo Peafowl. This one is a little different. The Congo Peafowl is found in the rainforests of Africa, in a place called the Congo Basin. Instead of the long trains of the Indian and green peafowls, the Congo Peafowl has shorter tail feathers, but what they lack in size, they make up for in style. The Congo Peafowl has iridescent blue and green feathers that catch the light in such a unique way. They're not as flashy as their cousins, but they're special because they've adapted to their rainforest homes. Instead of big tails to show off, they have strong wings to fly through the trees. Yes, these peafowl can fly. Now that we've met the 3 types of peafowl, how about some fun peacock facts? You'll be the smartest kid in the room with these. Yep, you heard me right. Even though peacocks have those long, fancy tails, they can still take to the skies when they need to. They're not long-distance flyers, but they're great at flying up into trees to roost. At night, they sleep up high to stay safe from predators. Did you know that peacocks are really fast on the ground too? They can run up to 10 miles per hour. So even though they might seem slow and graceful when they need to, they can zip right through the forest. Ever wondered why peacocks lose their feathers? Each year, after the breeding season, male peacocks shed their tail feathers. But don't worry, they grow back just in time for the next season when they'll need to show off again. It's not just the feathers that get all the attention. Peacocks perform a special dance called train rattling. They shake their tails to create a rattling noise that grabs the attention of peahens. Imagine a peacock shaking its feathers like maracas. Now that's a show! Peacocks aren't just about showing off. They're great parents, too. Peahens lay eggs, usually around 3 to 5 at a time, and take care of the babies, called peachicks. Baby peafowl can run around just hours after they hatch. They stick close to their mom, learning all about the world. And did I mention that peacock feathers come in all the colors of the rainbow? Those shiny blue and green feathers we see are thanks to something called iridescence, which means the colors change depending on how the light hits them. Peacocks use this to their advantage to create mesmerizing displays that almost look like magic. Well, Wasn't that an incredible journey through the world of peacocks? From their dazzling displays to their hidden talents, peacocks truly are nature's artists. So the next time you see one of these feathered friends, remember, there's more to them than just their pretty tails. Thanks for joining me, Pete the Penguin, on this colorful adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing animals of our world. Waddle on, friends!
Subscribe for more videos!